Friends, do you know? Astronauts on spacewalks consistently speak of space's extraordinarily peculiar odor. They can't smell it while bobbing in it because their spacesuit's interior just smells plastic. But upon stepping back into the space station and removing their helmets, they get a strong, distinctive whiff of the final frontier. The odor clings to their suit, helmet, gloves, and tools. Fugitives from the near vacuum, probably atomic oxygen. The clinging particles have the acrid aroma of seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. Pearce, a chemist hired by NASA to recreate the space odor on Earth for astronaut training purposes, said the metallic aspect of the scent might come from high-energy vibrations of ions. "It's like something I haven't ever smelled before, but I'll never forget it," NASA astronaut Kevin Ford said from orbit in 2009. But astronauts don't dislike the sharp smell of space, necessarily. After a 2003 mission, astronaut Don Pettit described it this way on a NASA blog. "It is hard to describe this smell. It is not the olfactory equivalent to describing the palate sensations of some new food as tastes like chicken. The best description I can come up with is metallic, a rather pleasant sweet metallic sensation. It reminded me of my college summers, where I labored for many hours with an arc welding torch repairing heavy equipment for a small logging outfit. It reminded me of pleasant sweet-smelling welding fumes. That is the smell of space. The interior of the International Space Station smells a little more mundane." Pettit, who recently returned from a second 6-month-long mission on the ISS, told Space.com, "The space station smells like half machine shop engine room laboratory, and then when you're cooking dinner, and you rip open a pouch of stew or something, you can smell a little roast beef." Friends, if you like this information, share it with others. Like and subscribe to our channel to learn similar interesting information. Thank you so much for watching the video.